In a world where airbrushed perfection reigns supreme, Dove boldly flipped the beauty standard script. Instead of presenting unattainable ideals, it celebrated real women, embracing every size, skin tone, wrinkle, curve, and stretch mark. This unfiltered approach to beauty struck a chord, redefining what it means to be beautiful and challenging the narrow confines of the beauty industry. Dove didn't just create ads, it ignited emotions. Campaigns like Real Beauty Sketches and Evolution transcended mere promotion, often bringing viewers to tears. These poignant narratives connected with women on a deeply personal level, making them feel seen, valued, and understood. By showcasing authentic beauty, Dove encouraged women to embrace their imperfections, fostering a vibrant community of acceptance and love. But Dove's mission was more than just stirring emotions, it was purpose-driven. The brand invested in body image education, self-esteem workshops, and extensive research on the media's toxic beauty standards. This commitment to meaningful change demonstrated that Dove wasn't merely selling soap, it was championing a healthier perception of beauty and empowering women to challenge societal norms. The impact was nothing short of revolutionary. Dove ignited a global conversation about beauty, prompting people to rethink their definitions of attractiveness. It gave women back their reflections, allowing them to embrace their true selves rather than a fantasy. This shift in perspective wasn't just a clever marketing strategy, it was a movement that resonated across the globe. Key takeaways from Dove's journey are crystal clear. Authenticity wins. Brands that resonate with genuine values stick around. Emotion drives engagement, creating deep, lasting connections rather than fleeting attention. Representation matters. When audiences see themselves reflected in a brand, trust flourishes. Dove's commitment to showcasing diverse beauty helped countless women feel represented and celebrated. Dove proved that it's possible to sell a product while simultaneously changing culture. By championing real beauty, it transformed the beauty industry and inspired individuals to embrace their uniqueness. The brand's legacy continues to inspire, proving that when a brand aligns with purpose and emotion, it can leave an indelible mark on society. In a landscape often filled with superficiality, Dove stands as a beacon of authenticity, reminding everyone that true beauty lies in being real. The brand's journey illustrates that beauty is not just skin deep, it's about embracing every facet of who we are. So, let's keep this conversation alive. What does beauty mean to you? How can brands like Dove inspire change in our perceptions? The dialogue is just beginning, and every voice matters in this ongoing journey toward redefining beauty.